third day in the new apartment and I'm locked out. That damn slam locked, I tell you. So as you guys can tell by the title of this video, we're moving. And when I say we, I just mean me and 50. So my move is scheduled for Monday. Today is Saturday. So I pretty much have half of today and tomorrow to pack. I haven't packed a thing yet. I'm just, whew, you know, this is gonna be a thing, a big thing. So for me, the biggest thing as far as packing is I gotta resist the urge, you know, when I get frustrated, not to just throw everything in a box, just because I want to complete it. Not only am I packing, but I'm, you know, decluttering my life as well, because I've been here for 6 years, so I've accumulated a lot of shit. So the hoarder in me is just, you know, we just gotta let go. We gotta make room for new blessings, all right? So it's a new place. I don't want to bring in the same old junk. So I'm really being super strategic about what I pack, what I keep, what I throw away, what I give away. It's bittersweet, you know. I'm like, as I get older, I'm embracing change more, and I actually welcome it. Like, this will be like my third chapter in 2018 that I'm embarking on. Like, 2018 was just a transformative year for me. It just taught me a lot about myself. It just showed how, you know, how strong a bit is, all right? On one hand, I'm excited to embark on a new journey, and on the other hand, it's just like I've created so many memories in this place. This was actually the house I grew up in as a child. This was my grandparents' condo, and you know, we used to have Thanksgiving dinner here, Christmas dinner here. We should just stay the night, just to, you know, it was grandparents' house. And so I've been back as an adult for 6 years, and I've, you know, had a roommate here. I had a live-in boyfriend here. I spent some time alone here. So this is where, like, you know, I created a lot of content in this space, and so I'm excited. I'm excited to just, you know, move on and just see what the future has in store. So yeah, 50, you ready? He really thinks he honestly doesn't know what's about to go on right now. Like, he sees these boxes and he's just like, mommy, what's going on? It's my baby, 50. We going to a new house. You ready? You ready? So yeah, here are the boxes that I rented, because we are sustainability queens. You know, we're watching our waste, watching our consumption. So here are the boxes. It's about 32 boxes. Hopefully that's enough, because I got a lot of shit, girls. And here are the wardrobe boxes. Obviously they have to be assembled. So yeah, as far as like where to start, I really want to start, you know, probably in my office area. Okay, so here's my little office area. This is where I film pretty much all of my videos. You guys see me when I do the lookbooks here, and then this is where I do like the talking points here, and then I also filmed a few like over here as well. So I'm definitely gonna miss this space. I don't have a space like this in my new place. It's actually much smaller than this. Gosh, I'm going from like 1,800 square feet to probably like 1,000. I'm getting just anxious trying to figure out where all this stuff is going to go. But I think this is the easiest place to start with, because, you know, I don't plan on filming any sit down videos between now and Monday. So we'll start here. I actually start with my book shelf. I think this would be super easy. All right, so we need a playlist. If you guys, first of all, I've been listening to Meek's album like on repeats, everything. If you guys are on Apple Music, definitely follow me, because I got some bomb ass playlists. All right, playlists. Let's see which one we're gonna. Ooh, Who Run the World, girls. So this is like my playlist of all women and just really empowering songs. So this is gonna get us through this move, so let's play her.
Battery high. Connected to TheNotoriousKIA.
Memories. So long ago, I hit 100K. All right, so now let's conquer my product closet. This is gonna be a task. Oh my God, I need to get my nails done. But first things first, let's pack first and then nails. Like, you don't wanna ruin a nice gel manicure from packing. So it's moving day. The movers are pretty much here. I still have to pack the kitchen and a few other things. I need to do my hair. I need to put some makeup on. 50, you ready? This is pretty much where we're at now. Look at these wardrobe boxes, they're so clutch. I used it for like all my clothes, obviously, but then I also like stuffed some shoe boxes in there as well with my scarf. Look at all these hair products and makeup and stuff. Ugh, too much. Here's my room. I'm gonna miss your room. I'm gonna miss all this space. Closet is pretty much done. Everything that's left in here is like I need to do laundry and stuff for the Goodwill that I'm donating tomorrow. 50 is overseeing everything. Hey Fifth, he's making sure everybody's doing their job. All my stuff. Shout out to Roadway Moving though. They're very, very thorough with everything. This, God, look at my room. Wow, I didn't realize I have so much stuff. This is crazy. They took my bed apart. Shout out to them. Shout out to them, 50. This is another room. So much stuff. Alright guys, so I'm in my new apartment. I want to give you guys a really quick empty apartment tour. I mean, it's not much. It's so much smaller than what I'm used to. But this is what I need. I need to curb my hoarding ways and my need for just to keep junk. So let's get into it. We'll start at the front door. Hey, my name is Kia, or TheNotoriousKIA, and this is my crib. Come on in. All right, so from the front door, we have the living room. We have 50. He's still trying to get acclimated. This is his first time here. He honestly doesn't know what's going on. Yeah, so here's the living room. And I love this exposed brick. And then you have a little tiny kitchen. I mean, I do a little cooking, but yeah. So here's the living room. Here's the first bedroom. I already have a few things in here. I went to IKEA. But like the room is really small. This will be like my office area. And here's a closet, which I already have clothes in. These are actually clothes I need to sell. So close you up. Hey Fifth. Then we walk down the hallway, and to the left we have the bathroom, which I kind of like already decorated and stuff. I love this mirror. Think about the hair tutorials I'm about to do in here. You know, standard stuff. Sink, medicine cabinet, and then have the shower with the tub. And then we have my bedroom here, more exposed brick. I just love the high ceilings. These are 12-foot ceilings, which I definitely can appreciate. It just makes it look not so small. But yeah, I pretty much only gonna be able to fit like a bed, maybe a dresser, and then this closet. Like they are trying it with these closets. Like, what am I supposed to fit here? Like seriously. What I do love is that the ceiling in the closet goes all the way up, so that's that. 50 is like really confused. And then we have a little I don't know, a panic room up there. Yeah. I also love the video intercom system where you can see who's actually out there. But yeah, that's pretty much my new space. I'm definitely going to be doing a lot of videos with the exposed brick. I just love that accent. Now, so that's pretty much why I chose this place. The fact that it has 2 bedrooms. It was within my budget, and also the exposed brick as well. Yeah, I'm just happy to create new memories here. Me and 50 create amazing content, of course. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the movers. They're actually on their lunch break. You know, they need to eat, get fueled. Watch out, 50. Okay. Stop. He's out of here. The couch is here. The couch is here. Okay.
More space.
And that goat can fit there. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. 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 And then if I got a TV, I have to go right there, right? Yeah. Even though it's over. I mean, I don't use cable. I just, yeah. I'm not a cable person. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. So the movers just left. And where up all this stuff? Like, the same amount of stuff with half the amount of space. This is crazy. So, look at all this stuff. And I have to return these boxes on Thursday. So I pretty much have to unpack everything by Thursday. Oh man. And shout out to Roadway for disassembling my bed and then putting it back together. Like, that's efficiency. That's being thorough. Good morning. So, the first night in my new place was interesting. You know, I slept well. It took me a while to go to sleep, which is natural. Like, my thoughts were racing. I really had to just like calm my mind. But it was pretty cool. You know, I felt like somebody was playing Call of Duty or something like at midnight. Like, are you serious? But you know, with new places, new locations, there comes with, you know, it comes new noises that you gotta get, you know, comfortable with. And you know, 50, how are you doing, buddy? You feeling good? So today we're headed back to my old place. I need to pick up a few things, start cleaning up, and also I'm meeting the Goodwill there. They're coming to pick up some furniture and also some clothes as well. I'm taking 50 with me as well because, you know, this is a new place. He's still getting acclimated. This is like a foreign territory and I don't want to leave him somewhere that's going to make him uncomfortable or antsy. He already gets separation anxiety, so we don't want to exasperate that, right, Fifth? So you're riding with me today. Is you riding? Is you riding? 50, is you riding? You guys, so this was one of my first DIY projects, even before I started my YouTube channel. Like, get into it. Like, she was an innovator way before her time. Look at it. Cute. So this is for the Goodwill. Like, look at these old ass LeBrons. These were probably like the first one ever created. And then Air Max 95. Like, if you from New York, like, you remember when these came out. When did these come out? Let's look at the tug. That's what I appreciate about, you know, Nikes and Jordans. They have the date on them. These came out November 15th, 2006. Wow. And look. Dub Zeros, like if you are OG Jordan fan, you remember when the Dub Zeros came out. When did I get these? These came out in, what is that, July 14th, 2005. Insane. I literally had every color. Here are the orange ones. But yeah, those are getting donated. Some of my OG subscribers remember when I used to wear these. These were like my favorite. Oh my God. Third day in the new apartment and I'm locked out. That damn slam lock, I tell you. And 50's in there waiting for the locksmith. But look, my sister's here. Say hi.
This is the first time. And this is what happened.
The first time she's visiting me and we're locked out. Like, my friends are finally here. Help me unpack.
You happy?
I'm so excited.
What's that?
Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god. Why he's attacking me?
He's not attacking. He knows that you
don't like it.
He knows that you don't like it, right, Viv? Day 4, and I'm at the vet with 50. There you go, right there. So his anal glands are clogged, so they gotta get drained. If you have a dog, you know, scooting, the licking, the fishy smell, yeah, not pretty. So I'm at the vet getting that taken care of because I don't want him leaking all over my furniture and just smelling up the new place. So we're gonna get him right.
Aggressive, I'm more cautious.
Well, but you never know. Some dogs, you know, you don't know what they're gonna do when you start to pick them up. They fool you. You want to, you know, err on the side of caution. Right, handsome? Right, handsome?
So it's been a couple of days and you know, I'm not quite settled in. I still have tons of unpacking to do. I just have way too much stuff, and that's probably the biggest takeaway from this whole entire experience, is just not accumulating so much stuff. Just because you have the space doesn't mean you have to fill it up. You know what I mean? Don't accumulate so much junk. Only keep the things that you absolutely need and that bring you joy. 2 is teaching me how to appreciate space, you know, and how to be a more efficient with my space. So, you know, I'm gonna work on those things and we gonna get it together. All right, me and 50, look at him looking. So yeah, you know, holding on to things is just really unhealthy. And, you know, sometimes anxiety, depression, it manifests itself in other ways. And sometimes it's just holding on to things. And, you know, you think these things bring you joy. When you let it go, you're free and you just feel so much lighter spiritually, mentally, physically, obviously. So yeah, we got to get in the habit of just letting things go, like evaluating our life, assessing, auditing the things in our life, the people included. And if they don't bring you joy, if they don't serve a purpose, then they gotta go. All right. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I still have tons of unpacking to do. So chop 50, you helping? Are you helping? Are you gonna help mommy? Oh, the tail means yes, right? So yeah, I like doing this vlogging thing. It's just interesting. It just gives you guys a different point of view outside of my normal videos. If this is something that you guys are interested in, just definitely let me know. I can't guarantee that it will be like a regular occurrence, but you know, I kind of like letting you guys into my world and just being a tad bit more transparent, especially when like your work is your life kind of thing. You really have to have a nice work-life balance. And I feel like I have a good grasp on that and a good grasp of who I am as a person, so I can't be like easily influenced or anything like that. So yeah, I want to be more free. I want to show you guys a little bit more of who Kia is. So if you're interested in more vlogs, definitely thumbs up this video, of course. Holla at me in the comments. Yeah, and let's get it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. So until next time, peace and dopeness. Say bye, Fifth. Say bye to the people. Not me. Look right there. Look right here.